terrifying.
It's safe.
Shrieking skulls will shock your soul and seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek. We're so sorry, skeletons, you're so misunderstood. You only want to socialize, but I don't think we should. Spooky, scary skeletons shout startling, shrilly screams. They'll sneak from their sarcophagus and just won't
Hold on,
leave you
you're out.
be.
Thank you for trying.
Try.
Spirits
There's nothing left.
what's all the fuzz? But bags of bones seem so unsafe. It's semi-serious. Spooky, scary skeletons are silly all the same. They smile and stare, slowly die and drive you so insane. Sticks and stones will break your bones. They seldom let you snooze. Scary skeletons wait. You go with
Nothing in here. You